Imagine standing on the edge of infinity, gazing into a boundless cosmos. Stars shimmer like distant memories, and galaxies swirl in a majestic dance. Beyond the familiar glow lies something hidden, a realm that defies sight and beckons our curiosity. It's a place where reality unfolds into unseen layers, a mysterious fourth dimension that holds profound secrets about our existence. This journey is not just an exploration of the universe, but an invitation to understand ourselves in a deeper way. Ancient mystics spoke of hidden, layered worlds beyond our own. Today, scientists also hint at dimensions beyond our perception, such as those suggested by string theory and M theory, which propose up to 11 dimensions, folded into shapes we can't perceive. Imagine the fourth dimension as a flowing river, where past, present, and future intermingle like pages in a book that can be accessed instantly, revealing limitless possibilities, and where time itself flows and evolves in surprising ways. Could it be that the reality we experience is just a surface layer, concealing a deeper, richer existence, one that remains hidden until we learn to perceive it differently? Like a two-dimensional being unable to imagine depth, we might be similarly limited in perceiving the hidden layers of our own universe. To explore the fourth dimension, we first need to understand what dimensions are. In physics, dimensions are the fundamental axes used to measure the universe: length, width, and height. These three dimensions shape the physical space we navigate, from the room we sit in to the vastness of the cosmos. The concept of the fourth dimension goes beyond the physical world we see and touches something much more profound. It exists at the intersection of scientific exploration and spiritual inquiry. Scientists speculate about additional dimensions through theories like string theory, while spiritual traditions hint at layered realities. By seeing how science and spirituality complement each other, we can appreciate the magnitude of what lies beyond. Breaking down dimensions. Think about the space around you. Every room, every object, every step, all exist within three familiar dimensions. These dimensions shape everything we know, from mountains to grains of sand. Yet there is another dimension we often take for granted: time. It's a silent, unceasing force that defines change and progression. We live on its linear path, always moving forward. Imagine time not as a straight line, but as a hidden layer that can curve, loop, and overlap. Picture it like a fabric that folds over itself, allowing moments that seem far apart to come into close contact. Could these moments be interconnected in ways we have yet to understand? The block universe theory suggests that all points in time exist simultaneously, making our perception of linear time an illusion. This theory offers a framework for understanding how past, present, and future might coexist and influence each other. What if this fourth dimension is not a passive backdrop to our lives, but a gateway? A place not confined to sight, but accessible through consciousness. A hidden landscape where reality breathes and transforms. The science of time and consciousness. Think about how we experience time. A steady march, a rhythm we cannot escape. It feels fixed, like a river carrying us from past to future. Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time might be part of a dynamic fabric, interconnected within a four-dimensional space-time. From the perspective of the fourth dimension, time could be spread out like layers of an intricate web, connecting and bending in ways beyond our familiar linear view. What if every moment you've lived still exists in a fluid realm, accessible if we only knew how to reach it? Imagine if, with the right awareness, we could step outside of time's ticking clock and experience it as something flexible and expansive. Could this be the key to glimpsing a fourth dimension, where time becomes an endless canvas and we are its artists? A portal to the fourth dimension. Meditation, a simple act of stillness, has been used for centuries to transcend the ordinary. But what if meditation is more than a mental practice? Could it be a gateway to something beyond our usual perception? Studies by neuroscientists like Dr. Richard Davidson show that meditation can alter brain function, increasing connectivity in areas linked to awareness. Shifts to alpha, theta, and gamma brainwave states during deep meditation may help us access deeper dimensions of consciousness. Practitioners often describe a sense of expansion or unity during meditation, feelings that may hint at an interaction with hidden dimensions of reality. Picture yourself in meditation, stepping beyond the ticking clock. Each breath expands into eternity. In that deep state of awareness, existence stretches in all directions, and time feels alive. Meditation might be more than a relaxation technique. It could be a means of altering our brain's energy and connecting us to deeper realities. Studies on consciousness and altered awareness hint that there is much more to explore in the interaction between mind and higher dimensions. The potential link between meditation and higher dimensions isn't about hard empirical proof. It's about expanding perception and being open to the possibility of deeper connections in reality. Reports from deep meditative experiences, timelessness, unity, and interconnectedness often point toward something beyond our ordinary perception, suggesting a hidden dimension. To begin exploring this potential, try mindfulness meditation, which involves focusing on the present moment. Set aside 10 minutes each day to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and observe your thoughts without judgment. This practice can help quiet the mind and create space for new insights to emerge. Parallel universes and beyond. Imagine the choices you've made in your life, each decision branching into a path that shapes who you are. Now imagine that every path you didn't take, every decision left unexplored, still exists somewhere, as real as the choices you made. Physics introduces us to the multiverse, a concept that suggests infinite versions of reality could coexist. Multiverse theory, born from quantum mechanics and cosmology, proposes that every decision could create a branching universe. Could moments of déjà vu, inexplicable memories, or vivid dreams be glimpses into these alternate worlds, brief windows into lives we might have lived? Imagine the fourth dimension as an intricate web, with each strand representing a different version of ourselves. In one reality, you may have chosen a different career. In another, you moved to a distant city. These versions exist as full realities, woven into the cosmic fabric. Though we may only perceive one path, these parallel lives may intersect and influence each other in ways that we only sense in fleeting, poignant moments of clarity. The intersection of science and spirituality. In our search for understanding, we often separate science and spirituality as if they're two opposing paths. Science is the realm of facts and equations, while spirituality is the domain of belief and intuition. Yet at the edge of the fourth dimension, these two paths converge, each shedding light on the mysteries of existence, each reaching toward an understanding that neither can achieve alone. Consider figures like Albert Einstein, who famously said, "Science without religion is lame, religion without science is blind." Or the Dalai Lama, who encourages the integration of scientific discovery with spiritual understanding. People like these, in their own ways, bridge the worlds of rigorous inquiry and deep introspection, providing a model for how science and spirituality can coexist. Think of science as the language of the universe, revealing its intricate laws, while spirituality is the soul's voice, guiding us to realms beyond these laws. Together, science and spirituality form a bridge to the fourth dimension, inviting us to glimpse the vastness of existence and see ourselves as more than just passive observers. In this union of science and spirituality, we are encouraged to explore, to expand our awareness, and to believe in our potential to reach beyond. Each time we meditate, question reality, or delve into consciousness, we draw closer to a hidden dimension that awaits our exploration. What if the knowledge of science and the wisdom of spirituality are two parts of a greater truth? Could their union unlock doors to dimensions yet unexplored, helping us understand not only the universe around us, but the universe within us? Perhaps the fourth dimension is not just a place, but an experience, a blending of knowledge, faith, and the courage to journey beyond the limits of perception, bridging the worlds of what we know and what we sense. The fourth dimension as an inner journey. Though the fourth dimension may seem vast and distant, it also calls us inward, asking us to explore the depths of our consciousness. By embracing practices like deep breathing or progressive relaxation, we can attune ourselves to the deeper dimensions of awareness. Perhaps the fourth dimension is not a place we travel to, but an aspect of ourselves, an inner potential waiting to be realized. Set aside 10 minutes each day for quiet reflection, focusing on your breath. Reflect on significant moments in your life, imagining how different choices might have created alternate realities. This simple practice could help you connect more deeply with the layers of your own existence. Within us lies an entire universe, layered, complex, and connected to realities beyond the physical. The journey to the fourth dimension is ultimately a journey inward, a call to expand our understanding, recognize our potential, and shape our reality. On this journey inward, we may find answers to questions long pondered, discover parts of ourselves we never knew, and awaken a deeper sense of purpose and connection. The fourth dimension becomes more than a mystery to solve. It transforms into a personal adventure, empowering us to see beyond the everyday and tap into a reality that is both cosmic and intimate, embarking on a lifelong exploration. As we conclude this journey, remember, the fourth dimension is not simply an abstract concept or a distant mystery waiting to be solved. It is, in essence, an invitation, a call to expand our understanding of reality, to challenge the limitations of perception, and to open our minds to possibilities beyond the visible world. Take a step today, meditate, explore these ideas further, or observe the world with a renewed sense of wonder. Explore cultural perspectives like Tibetan Buddhist practices or the Upanishads, which probe the unity of existence. Imagine the fourth dimension as both within and around you, a space where time flows fluidly, alternate realities exist, and science and spirituality together unlock profound truths. As you move forward, ask yourself, how do you perceive time? What if reality is more than a series of passing moments? Could you, by expanding your awareness, step into the unknown and discover realms beyond the surface? The fourth dimension awaits, a lifelong exploration that encourages you to journey both outward and inward, to embrace your own boundless potential, and to see yourself as both a part of this universe and as vast as the cosmos itself. Let curiosity and courage guide you, for you are as limitless as the universe. Go forth with wonder, for the mysteries of the fourth dimension and of yourself await your discovery.